Good morning. Can't believe it. Saturday, day off. The missus, it's a Mark III Focus, and she's complaining. I've got a creak on the front of this suspension in here, and it feels as though there's a broken spring. It feels as though there's a bushing gone or a bottom ball joint. It's none of that, and you won't believe it, but what I got is I got the missus to bounce up and down on the old Ford Focus. Yep, that's the only bouncing I get now. And what we found is I put it's this headlight leveler sensor, and I put my finger on here, and in there is the only time it makes a noise. And you know what happens when the flaming suspension makes a noise and feels as though it's falling apart? Yep, you got it. The missus starts to complain. But luckily I've got this this hearing problem. What is it? You only hear what you want, the missus says. I can't remember what it's called now. But yeah, I'm glad I got that sometimes. Right, so I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to grease it up inside there and there, and it gets two things done then. This to stop making a noise, and the missus giving me another going over. I'll just remember what it's called, selective hearing. Anyway, let me get that done. But I thought if you ever get a creaking noise or anything like there, just check your ball joints on the leveling sensor. You know, Land Rovers, they've got them as well. Anything. But yeah, a little bit of grease inside there, and that'll sort the problem out. I thought that'd help on my day off, but hopefully the missus will, you know, give me a break now. Have a good day, everyone, and stay safe. See you later. I love her to death, really, but be good.